Look who is out here minding his own business, going on his merry way. The whole world is going busy and bustling. He on his merry way into the bushes.